The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for northern Albany County and east central New York, eastern Schenectady County and east central New York, southern Saratoga County and east central New York, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Albany. Or near Schenectady, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris may be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Locations impacted include Albany, Schenectady, Waterford, Half Moon, Clifton Park, and Rensselaer City. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York: Albany, Schenectady, Saratoga, and Rensselaer.